Saint Patrick. When did Christianity first arrive in Britain? In the 1st century AD, a new religion, Christianity, came to Rome. The Roman authorities saw Christianity as a threat, so they made it illegal to be a Christian. In spite of this, the religion grew. Christian merchants, soldiers, philosophers, and teachers traveled throughout the empire. As they did, they took their religious beliefs with them, including to Britain and Ireland. When did Christianity become legal? In AD 313, Emperor Diocletian made Christianity legal. In AD 312, Emperor Constantine converted to Christianity and declared that this would be the empire's new religion. This included the parts of Britain that were under Roman rule. Who brought Christianity to Ireland? No one knows for sure how Christianity made its way to Ireland. Irish merchants and nobles no doubt came across Christian ideas on their travels throughout the Roman Empire. What's more, when Christian slaves and merchants arrived in Ireland from other parts of the empire, they too may have brought their beliefs and a new way of life to the Irish. Who was Saint Patrick? Saint Patrick was born in Britain in around AD 385. He was captured as a youth and taken to Ireland to be a slave. There, he served his master for 6 years. One day, while looking after his master's sheep, he received a message from God. He was to escape to Britain to train as a priest, then return to Ireland to convert the people there to Christianity. And that is exactly what he did. Converting the Irish. 5th century Ireland was made up of lots of small independent kingdoms. If Patrick could convert the ruler of each of these kingdoms, it was much more likely that everyone else would become Christians too. He began to visit each kingdom in turn, which was hard work. Around that time, several Christian monks came to Ireland from Scotland and Wales. They also wanted to convert the Irish people to Christianity. Both they and Saint Patrick had a lot of success. When did Patrick become Saint Patrick? In the 7th century, the Anglo-Saxons began referring to Patrick as Saint Patrick because they agreed that he was very holy and deserved the title. They honoured him as the patron saint of Ireland. Then, in the 1630s, the Catholic Church added the Feast of Saint Patrick to their list of feast days and celebrations. Every year on the 17th of March, the Feast of Saint Patrick is celebrated by Catholics all around the world.